Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Color Your Night on guitar. We'll start by breaking down the fundamental chords you'll need to master. Then, we'll explore the song's overall structure, helping you navigate through its different parts. Finally, I'll show you the primary strumming pattern, or perhaps a picking technique, that brings this beautiful song to life. Get ready to make some music. Let's dive into the core of Color Your Night with its essential chords. You'll primarily be working with 4 open chords: G major, C major, D major, and E minor. These are foundational for many songs, so mastering them here is a great step. Focus on making your transitions between these 4 chords as smooth as possible. The verse progression typically moves from G to C, then to D, and finally to E minor. Now, let's talk about bringing rhythm and life to your playing. A common strumming pattern for this song is down, down, up, up, down, up. Practice this pattern until it feels natural and consistent. Aim for a steady tempo of around 120 beats per minute to capture the song's energy. Remember to vary your dynamics, play a little softer during the verses, and build up to a fuller, louder sound for the choruses. To truly master Color Your Night, consistent practice is key. Begin by practicing each chord change individually, focusing on slow and accurate movements. As your fingers become more familiar, gradually increase your speed. Don't rush the process. Muscle memory takes time to develop. Finally, try playing along with the original recording. This will help you refine your timing and feel for the song, bringing it all together beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.